Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg using paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Consider using different colors or patterns to make your egg unique. Having everything laid out and ready to go will make the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation step is key to a successful project. Now, let's start folding. Take your paper and fold it in half, then in half again, creating a smaller rectangle. Carefully cut a rounded shape from the folded paper, ensuring the edges are smooth. When you unfold it, you should have a symmetrical egg shape. Remember to make your creases gentle to prevent any rips, and take your time with the cutting for the best results. With your egg shapes cut, it's time to assemble. Apply a small amount of glue along one edge of your paper egg and carefully press another egg shape onto it, creating a three-dimensional effect. Once assembled, let your creativity shine. You can decorate your paper egg with markers, glitter, or even small cutouts. Make sure to let all the glue and decorations dry completely before handling your finished piece. Your paper egg is almost complete. Take a moment to review your creation, making any final adjustments or adding last-minute touches. Once you're happy with it, your beautiful paper egg is ready to be displayed. It makes a wonderful decoration for any occasion. And hey, if you're looking to keep your crafting space tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.